Morning to all. This is Nagul Mira. Our subject is PPSC for first civil. In that fourth unit, pointers. Today's our topic is pointers to pointers. Okay. So today our topic is pointers to pointers. Before that, what is our yesterday's topic? That is pointer. Okay. Yes. What is the meaning of pointer? Here, pointer is a one type of special variable. This is used to store address of another variable. Okay, na? So that is nothing but our pointer. Pointer consists of any built-in data types. Okay, na? Pointer consists of any built-in data types. So here, how declaration of pointer? This is already discussed. Okay, na? Here there are some examples are there. These examples shows how declare a simple a pointer. Okay, na? Here syntax is data type. Here, data type means any type of built-in data type we can use. Data type space asterisk, that is star variable name. Okay, now this is the syntax of variable. Example is int space asterisk ad. So here ad is a not normal variable. That is a pointer variable. Why? Because it consists of asterisk. Okay, na? So for example, without hashtag, that is meaning of normal variable. For example, without hashtag means int space ad. What is the meaning of that? Here, ad is a normal variable. That is the type of integer. Here, ad consists of asterisk symbol. Okay, na? Ad consists of some star symbol. That means that is a pointer. We can define any data type. So, char asterisk s, float star fp, char star star star. Yes, here S is a pointer to pointer. Okay, so simply this is how a declare a simple pointer. Okay, so yes, next one. Here consider this example also. For example, int space star p comma x. What is the meaning of this here? Star p is a pointer, x is a normal variable. These two are integer. These two are type of integers. Now x equal to 5. What is the meaning of this here? 5 is initialized. 5 is initialized to x, and then p equal to ampersand x. What is the meaning of this here? Here the address of x, the address of x is assigned to p. P is my pointer. So simply what our definition says, pointer is a one type of variable that is used to store address of another variable. Here x is another variable, ampersand x is nothing but address of that particular variable. X is assigned to nothing but stored to pointer, that is p. Okay, na? So this is nothing but our a simple pointer declaration as well as initialization. Okay, na? Now coming to our today's topic, that is pointer to pointer. What is the meaning of pointer to pointers? Yes, okay, na? What is the meaning of pointer to pointers here? The pointer to pointer is a form of multiple redirection. Okay, na? Here a pointer to pointer is a form of multiple indirection or chain of pointers. So simply we can call as pointers to pointer is a chain of pointers. Chain of pointers. Okay, na? Here normally a pointer consists of address of the variable. We know kada normally a pointer consists of addresses of the variable. So simply here pointer to pointer is a chain of pointers. When we define a pointer to pointer, the first pointer consists of what? The first pointer consists of address of the second pointer. Okay, na? Simply here, when we define a pointer to pointer, the first pointer consists of the address of the second pointer. Which point? Which points to location that consists the actual value of the variable. So simply consider this example. This diagram shows, okay, now what is the actual meaning of pointer to pointer? Simply we know that is what is the meaning of pointer. A pointer to pointer is a chain of pointers. Chain of pointers. That means two or more. Okay, now that means more than one pointers. Actually, what pointer consists? Here pointer consists of address of the variable. Okay, now here the first pointer consists of address of second pointer. That means here this is a pointer, this is another pointer, this is a variable. So simply, what is the meaning of pointer to pointer? Pointer to pointer consists of this pointer. This pointer is stored into this pointer. So simply pointer consists of address. Here pointer consists of address. This pointer consists of this address. So simply this pointer is stored into this pointer. So simply this address is stored into this pointer address. And then this consists of something actual value of the variable. Okay, now variable of the variable. So simply variable that is the pointer to pointer must be declared as much. Okay. So simply, how do we define a pointer to pointer? How do we declare pointer to pointer? Here there is the syntax. The syntax shows how to define pointer to pointer. Okay. Here is the example we have seen. Okay. Yeah, this is where. Yes. Okay. Look this char space star star s. This means this is the pointer to pointer. Pointer to variable that is a pointer to character. Okay, na? So simply pointer, this shows what is this? This is a simple example of pointer to pointer. So this example shows pointer to variable that is a pointer to character. So here, okay, so pointer to pointer declaration is okay, na? Int nothing but data type space double asterisk variable name semicolon. Okay, now simply here int space double asterisk var. Here var is nothing but variable. This is a pointer to pointer. Okay, now that pointer to pointer. Now capabilities of pointers. What pointer can have some capabilities? Okay, now here capabilities of pointers. What is here? Pointer is used to store address of another variable. So simply the number of assigning one pointer to another pointers are tighter than the rule of numeric types. Numeric types. For example, you can assign an int value to double variable without using type conversion. So we know about type conversion, explicit type conversion, implicit type conversion discussed in second unit. So for example, you can assign an int value to double variable without using a type conversion, but you can't do the same of pointers to those two types. Okay. So here there is a some example is there. This example shows okay a concept of pointer capabilities. Okay na. So this simple example shows pointers capabilities. Now here what is the possible errors? So those all are shows in our program. This is my header file and this is main function. In that there are two variables are defined, two normal variables are defined. Those are one is int n. Okay now one is n, that is the type of integer equal to 5. So I am directly assigned to 5 value to my integer variable that is n. So simply n equal to 5. So simply here what n consists? N consists of value 5. That is the type of integer. Now next one is x. Next variable is x. So here x is the long double. X is the type of long double. Now this is my pointer. This is my pointer. What is that? Okay, na? Star ph. Star means hashtag. Hashtag pi is a pointer variable that is equal to ampersand n. So simply this particular statement consists of this particular point. This particular statement shows this is pi pointer. Now this is address of n. Address of n means this variable. Okay, na? Address of n variable is directly assigned to my pointer variable that is pi. Now here there is another variable that is long double. There is another double. There is another variable that is long double. This is also pointer variable. Okay, now so asterisk PID. This is my pointer variable equal to ampersand x. Ampersand x means address of x. So address of x is initializing. Okay, address of x is stored into my PID variable and address of n is stored into my PI. So simply there are two pointers are there. Simply two pointers are there. What are those? Pi pointer, that is the type of integer. Okay, na? This is used to store. This is used to store address of variable n. Another variable is long double. Another pointer is long double type. So that particular pointer is PID. PID. This is used to store. This is used to store address of x variable. Now what happened here? x equal to n, x equal to n. So this is nothing but implicit type conversion. Why? Because here x, what is the meaning of x? Here x is a long double type. X is a, here x variable is a long double type. N is a integer. N is a integer type. X is a long double type. Now here we are trying to initialize normal integer variable to long double variable. Okay, na? That is the meaning of implicit type conversion. Okay, na? So here what happened here? Normal integer variable is initialized to that is long double variable, that is x. Now what happened here? Now here PID. What is the meaning of PID? Here PID is a long double type. PID is a long double type pointer equal to PI. What is the meaning of PI? PI is a pointer that is the type of integer. Now, at this time, what happened? At the compile time, we may get error. Okay, na? At the compile time, we may get error. What type of error that is? Assignment pointer to pointer, assigning pointer to into to point to int. Okay, na point to long double. That is the error. What happened here? What we happened? So long double. So PI integer pointer is, we are trying to integer pointer is initialized to long double. So here there may be a compilation error. Okay, na? So this is the problem. Compile time error. Assigning pointer to integer, or pointer to long double. Okay, na? So simply this is shows pointer concept, pointer capability. Okay, na? So this is nothing but pointer to pointer. Simply, what is the meaning of pointer to pointer here? Simply what we point to pointer here. Here pointer to pointer consist of or look like as multiple in direction. Simply we can call as chain of pointers. Okay, na? So simply here pointer is used to store address of variable. Okay, na? So here the first pointer consists of the address of the second pointer. Address of the second pointer which point to the location that contains the actual value of the variable. Okay, na? So this diagram shows pointer to pointer. How we define using this syntax? Okay, na? Int space, int nothing but data type space, open double asterisk variable name with semicolon. This is the simple define. This is the simple declaration of pointer to pointer. Okay, na? Now coming to our next topic, that is L value and R value. Nothing but left side value and right side value. What is the meaning of this? Okay, na? Simply చూద్దామండి, చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. Just before that, is there any doubts? Is there any doubts in pointers? Is there any doubts in pointers or something pointer to pointer? Nobody replying. That means understood. So leave that. So L value and R value. That is our next topic. Yes, what is the meaning of L value? What is the meaning of L value? L values refers to memory location. Okay, L value refers to memory location, which defines an object. What is the meaning of L value? Here, L value refers to memory location, which identifies an object. Simply take one example. Int n. Int n. What is the meaning of int n? Here, n is a variable that is the type of integer. Now, n equal to 10. N equal to 10. What is the meaning of that? N equal to 10. So, n is the left side, 10 is my right side. Correct? N is my left side, 10 is my right side. In between, there is one assignment operator equal to. So, n equal to 10. What is the meaning of this? Here, n is a variable. N is a variable. Simply, we can call as object. N is a variable. Simply, we can call as object. Simply, we can call as memory location. Correct? So, n equal to 10. What is the meaning of that? So here n is a left value, n is a left side value. That is simply we can call as object, nothing but a variable. So what n consists? N consists of some memory location. That is 2 bytes or 4 bytes. That is depends upon compiler. What n can do? Here n equal to 10. 10 means here 10 value is stored into my 10 value is stored into my n variable. So n is nothing but simply memory location. So simply, what is the meaning of L value here? Here L value is nothing but memory location, which is nothing but an object. Okay, na? L value maybe appears at either left hand side or right hand side of assignment operator, that is equal to. You can simply take example n equal to 10. So in between n and 10 there is the assignment operator. So simply here L value may appear as either left hand or right hand side of an assignment operator, that is equal to. Okay na? So equal to the left side అయినా ఉండొచ్చు లేదా right side అయినా ఉండొచ్చు. Okay na? L value often represent as identifier. Yeah. So simply as what is the meaning of identifier? Here identifier is nothing but any something value. It may be a variable but not keywords. Okay na? So మనం second unit లో చూసామండి what is the meaning of identifier. Okay na? Identifier is something name or something variable but it is not keywords. So here L value is represents as identifier. Okay na? Identifier. Expressions referring to modified location called as modifiable L values. So what is the meaning of these? For example, if you take some expressions, what is the meaning of expressions? Okay, some arithmetical operation. For example, C equal to A plus B. C equal to A plus B. So that is nothing but simple expression. So expressions referring to modifiable locations are called as modifiable L values. That means L values are not fixed. So in some programs, L values may be modifiable. Okay, na? So what is the meaning of modifiable? So some expressions consist of modifiable locations, modifiable memory locations, or modifiable objects. So these type of modifiable locations are modified objects are called as modifiable L values. Okay, na? So here a modifiable L values cannot have array type. What is the meaning of this? So if a variable or something object is modifiable, that can't have an array type. Okay, na? So arrays are not modifiable. Arrays L values. Arrays L values are not modifiable. Okay, na? Then so for example, if we want to modifiable, that is an incompatible type. So we can get error. Okay, na? We can get error. Or a type of constants attributes. Okay, na? So constants. What is the meaning of constants here? Constant is a fixed value. That value cannot change during our program execution or our entire program. So here modifiable L values cannot have array types and also constant attributes. So constant values cannot change during the program execution. Okay, na? So in our C program, in our C program, concept was renamed as locator value. So L values sometimes called as locator values. Okay, now what is the meaning of locator value here? Locator is nothing but location. Locator is nothing but location. What is the meaning of location here? Memory location. So this locator is this locator consists of some ability to store some value. So that's why these L values are sometimes called as locator values. Okay, na? Locator values. So L value is the one of the following. So L values may be one of these following. What is this? The name of the variable of any type. The name of the variable of any type. That may be integer, okay, integer, float, pointer, structure, or something union type. Okay, so the name of the variable of any type. Okay, any built-in type, it may appear. Those are some integer, okay, float, pointer, structure, or something union type. Okay, the subscript nothing but arrays. Okay, in arrays, we have seen this subscript 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension. Okay, na? So depends upon these subscription, we can say that is 1 dimension. Depends upon the subscripts. Nothing if it consists of one subscript, that is the 1 dimension, two subscripts, that means 2 dimension, more than 2, that is multi-dimension. Okay, so simply here the subscript expression that does not value to an array. Okay, here a unary indirection, that is asterisk, nothing but pointer. Okay, the unary indirection expression that do not refer to an array, and L value expressions in parentheses, and L value expressions in parentheses. Constant objects, non-modifiable. Okay, na? This is discussed just. Okay, na? Constant. What is the meaning of constant here? Constant means that value is fixed. That value is not changed in the program. Once we define that is fixed. Okay, here the constant objects, those are a modifiable L values, non-modifiable L values. Okay, na? The result of indirection through a pointer provide that it not function pointer. Okay, the result of member access through pointers. So these all are L values form. Okay, na? These all are L values may consist of one of these following. So this is about our L values. Now example, let's consider for example L value, that is our topic. So let me check some extra information about these L values. Okay, na? Yes. So let me check in web about L values. Yes. Okay. This is my L values. Okay. Consider some example. Yes. Consider this example. What this example consists of an int A. So here A is a normal variable, that is the type of integer. Now what here A equal to 1. A equal to 1. What is the meaning of this here? A is the left side, 1 is the right side. Between A and 1, here there is a one operator, that is the assignment operator, nothing but equal to. A equal to 1. A equal to 1. Here A is the expression referring to an integer object, that is L value. So simply here A is a L value. Now what happened here? Int B equal to A. Int B equal to A. What happened? What happened? L value can't appear on right side. Now here what happened? In this here L value is appearing in left side. In this statement, in this expression or something statement, L value is appearing in left side. But in this example, int B equal to A. B equal to A. So L value is appearing on right. So in our explanation, here L value appearing left value, or in some cases something right side it may appear. So here in this example, L value appearing at right side, where here A is the left side, A is the here right side. So here L value is appearing right side. Now what happened? For example, if we define 9 equal to A, 9 equal to A, what happened? Okay, 9 equal to A, what happened? So this is error. This is compilation error. This is compilation error. Generally, how expressions are evaluated are right to left. Right to left. So first right side is performed and then this result is assigned to left side. Already చూసామండి. Okay. For example, C equal to A plus B. That is the simple statement. What happened on that C equal to A plus B? Here first A plus B operation is performed and then this result is assigned to left side variable, that is C equal to A plus B. First right side operation is performed, A plus B is performed, and then this result is assigned to C variable. So according to that, here 9 equal to A. What happened? What happened here? Generally what happened? So A is assigned to 9, but this is the compilation error. This is the compilation error. Okay, na? So simply we can use we can use this type A equal to 1. In this way, we can use left value, L value. Okay. Na? So B equal to A, we can use this way. Here L value is appearing on right side, but we can't use this type of statements. That is 9 equal to A. What is the meaning of this here? Here, this is compilation error. This is about our L values. This is about our L values. Okay. Now coming to our next one, that is R values. First, what is the meaning of R values? Now, is there any doubts in L values? Is there any doubts in L values? Nobody responding. Okay. Now, so coming to our R values. What is the meaning of R values? Like L values, here R values refers to data values. R values refers to data values that is stored at some address in memory. Address in memory. Okay. So simply yes, what is the meaning of R value here? R value refers to data value that is stored at some address in memory. Take one example. Take one example. A equal to, for example, int A equal to 1. What happened? Int A equal to 1. What happened? Here 1 is a value. One value is stored in particular A value. So A variable. Okay. So int A equal to 1. What happened? Int A equal to 1. One value is stored into variable A, that is the type of integer. What happened here? What happened here? Here R value is a data. R value is a data value that is stored in some address in memory. So here one is a R value, one is a R value. This R value is stored in some address in memory where that is A. So A consists of some memory location. That memory location consists of its individual address. So at this address, nothing but at this memory address, my one is stored. What one? Here one is nothing but data value. Okay, na? This is nothing but my R value. So this is nothing but my R value. Okay, na? So simply here R value referring to data value that is stored at some address in memory. Okay, na? So here a R value is expression. A R value is an expression that can't have a value assigned to, in which means R value can appearing on right but not left hand side on assignment operator. What is the meaning of this? Here R value in our expressions, R values can appearing on right side but not a left hand side on assignment operator, that is equal. Okay, na? Here the unary and address. The unary and address operator requires an L values as its operand. That is ampersand n is a valid expression only if n is L value. Okay, so simply this is about our L value and R value. Okay, now check extra information in R value. So where our R value is appear. So consider, for example, int A equal to 1, B. What happened here? Here A, B's are two integer variables. Here one is assigned to, one value is assigned to A. Now this is my R value. This is my one is my R value. This is assigned to A. This is assigned to A. A consists of some memory location. Okay, now so in that A memory location, A is stored. A is stored. Now here there is, we can use this type of syntaxes. Okay, now A plus B, A plus 1 equal to B. A plus 1 equal to B. What happened here? Here we may get error. A plus 1 equal to B. In this we can get error. Left. What type of error? Here error left expression is not variable a plus b. So this type of expressions we can't use in our programs. Okay. Now, yes, this type of syntax is int star p star q. What happened here? There are two pointers are there, that is p comma q. There are two pointers, those are type of integers. Okay. Now here p equal to 1. P equal to 1. What happened? This is a valid L value. This is valid L value. Why? Because here this is a P. This is the type of pointer. Okay, now we are initializing one into pointer. We can use this type of. Okay, now we can use this type also. Q equal to P plus 5. We can use this type of expressions also. That is Q equal to P plus 5. Okay, now we can use this type of expressions. Now this one. Okay, now hashtag of p plus 2 equal to 18. Okay, na? So this is also valid and this is also valid. So p equal to ampersand b. So this is also valid. Okay, na? So we can use these all type of L values and R values.
Sir,
చెప్పండి.
టైం ఏంటి సార్? M2 లింక్ పంపించారు సార్ మాకు.